Alright, let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's next big thing in their Galaxy lineup, expected to debut early next year. Exciting, right? Now, here's where it gets interesting. Rumors have been swirling lately, suggesting that Samsung might be shaking things up. Instead of the usual boxy design, we might see a sleeker, more curved approach. Feels like a fresh change, doesn't it? But wait, there's more. A trusted tipster claims that the higher end variants of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could get a serious memory upgrade compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now that's worth paying attention to. For the base model, Samsung is sticking with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. Pretty standard, similar to its predecessor. But for those who love a power packed device, you'll get options for 16 gigabytes plus 500, 12 gigabytes, or even 16 gigabytes plus 1 terabyte configurations. Yes, you heard that right. 1 terabyte of storage. And let's talk about the display. Rumor has it the Galaxy 25 Ultra will boast a stunning 6.86-inch AMOLED screen, featuring even thinner bezels than before. Sounds immersive, right? And the cameras? Oh, they're taking things to a whole new level. A whopping 200 megapixel primary camera, a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto lens, a 50 megapixel 5x telephoto camera, and wait for it, an upgraded 50 megapixel ultra wide lens. Imagine the shots you could take with that. Under the hood, the phone is rumored to run on Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. As for the battery, well, it's said to pack a 5000 milliamp hour cell with 45-watt fast charging support. So, what do you think? A design revamp, killer specs, and camera upgrades. It seems like the Galaxy S25 Ultra could be setting the bar high for flagship phones in 2024. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.